Hi everybody, today we're making strawberry jam. I hope that you have already enjoyed the video on YouTube about the giant jam sandwich. Watch that and then we're going to make strawberry jam. My class did this last year and we had a lot of fun. I'm sorry that we can't be together to do it this year, but maybe you can take a screenshot of this and you guys can make it at home, okay? So today it says we need 2 cups of strawberries chopped, but I only have 1 cup. So guess what? We've got to see if that's the right amount if we're gonna cut the recipe in half. So here's what we're gonna do. If the recipe calls for 2 cups of sugar and you need to half the recipe, what is half of 2 cups? 1 cup. So we need 1 cup. Oh, that says sugar. That's supposed to be strawberries. Sorry, my bad. Look, I can fix it though. People make mistakes all the time. 2 cups of strawberries. Although I think that a lot of sugar would be delicious, I think it would be a little too much for this recipe. So 2 cups of strawberries. And if we do that in half, cut that in half, we just need 1 cup. So here we go. I'm gonna pour the strawberries in the bowl. And then they need to be chopped. So I've got my handy little chopper right here. All right. This is kind of fun if you need to get some frustration out. Just FYI. All right. And this was so delicious. And we're gonna also watch, if you haven't already, watch the video about bread making. And you can make some delicious rolls that would be so tasty with strawberry jam on them. Or you could make biscuits. That would be equally delicious, if not even more so. All right, so a little bit more. How does that look?
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm. I thought you would think so. All right, we're almost there. Starting to look like jam a little bit. Okay, let's see what's next on our recipe. All right, it says put strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice into the bowl. So the sugar is 1/3 cup for the original recipe. So we're just doing half of that. Half of 1/3 is 1/6. So we're going to fill up, I don't have a 1/6 cup. So I'm just gonna do half of the 1/3 cup. Maybe a little, it might be a little over half, but I think that'll be okay. Want it?
Yeah.
It'll taste even better, right? Okay, so I'm gonna pour the sugar in, okay? And then for the lemon juice, the original recipe calls for 2 tablespoons. And again, we just need to cut that in half. So if you have 1 tablespoon and then another tablespoon, that makes 2. So then what is half of 2? 1. So we just need 1 tablespoon to make half of the recipe. So I already started squeezing a little bit of juice in there, but I just need a little bit more. So we're using real lemon juice. The recipe suggested.
Yes, we fancy.
We are fancy. We're going all from scratch here. The recipe has the jar lemon juice, which if that's what you have at home, that's fine. You can use that. I just happened to be at the store and saw lemons. I said, I think I'll just use a real lemon. All right, so there, I've got 1 tablespoon. All right, so I'm gonna pour that in here. It does sound funny to me to have lemon juice in here because when I think of lemons, I think of sour, but when we made it last year, it was delicious. So now I'm just gonna stir it up a little bit. All right, there we go. And let me look at the recipe again. It says let mixture sit for 30 minutes. So we're gonna end this video and then you can watch the next one about what we do to make it the rest of the way into strawberry jam. All right, see you later.